test. Look at this. Soup was good. Really, really hot. Thank you for stopping. Welcome back, guys. So listen, rain or snow, listen, pumpkin soup to my heart. Pumpkin soup with chicken feet, chicken foot as we call them in Jamaica. Look at a girl, veggies and her grown provision. Pumpkin, turnip, chocha, carrots, onions, garlic, Irish potato, some yellow yam, some sweet potato, and some dasheen. Listen, look at them chicken feet. Yes, and some chicken. So, listen, guys, when you're making your chicken soup or whatever soup you're making, add some onions in the pot to boil, and you will love me for that. So I added on my pot to boil. Once it started to boil, I started to add in my veggies. The chicken feet take a longer while to cook, and I don't want my chicken to be like cooked out, so I added some pimento grains and my veggies to boil. I boiled this for an hour until them feet look like they're like breaking up or falling off the bone, because we know chicken feet is mostly bone. But Jamaican style pumpkin, a lot of pumpkin in my soup, and I can't forget my dumpling. And because I'm extra, I did add a little cornmeal to my flour, because that's a girl business. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, Jamaican style cold weather pumpkin soup with some chicken feet and some chicken in it. Let me know what you're drinking. Are you drinking tea or lots of soup? One thing I love about winter is I love me some soup. Look at a girl pumpkin soup. You can see the pumpkin is pumpkining. Yes, it's like really yellow. It is pumpkining. Yes, if there's such a word, don't mind me. Anyways, I started to add in more pumpkin and the chicken at this point, because the chicken takes like about 30 to 40 minutes. Then your girl started to add in her food, which is the ground provision, my yellow yam, and all. The only thing missing was some breadfruit. I didn't get any breadfruit at the store, because this pumpkin soup, it would be even lit with some breadfruit. Your girl added her ground provision, and then it's about time to add in my Jamaican style dumplings. Add in my dumplings and make sure to keep your pot under medium heat. Yes, a pot of soup in the cold weather. There was a little snow, and I just felt for some chicken soup with lots of pumpkin. Love the color, and as I say, my soup is souping. Yes, my soup is souping. Make sure them nails clean to make your dumpling. Yes, make sure your fingernails are clean to make dumpling. Okay? I'm very peculiar when it comes to my dumpling and them nails. Make sure them nails are not as tall as the chicken feet nails. Yes. Now your girl about to add in our cock soup, and I love to use the pumpkin one too, but the store did not have any. And listen, your girl have to wash out the noodle pack to make sure every bit fall out. Make sure you stir in. Once you do that, then I started to season up with escallion, thyme, some rosemary, and then I added a little hint of salt and some Maggi all-purpose. I did add butter to mine because I'm extra, and it helps to bring up the flavor and the taste. And then I added a little black pepper. I used pink Himalayan salt in it, not regular white salt. And your girl stir to make sure no noodle was sticking at the bottom. What is soup without a pepper in there to add flavor and taste? And then your girl covered, and I left this to boil for another 40 minutes. And listen, the soup was souping, the pumpkin was pumpkining, yellow, Everything in this was lit. If you watch to the end, you will see, or at the beginning you saw that little snippet of me tasting my soup. Listen, I would drink this for breakfast, lunch and dinner. That's how I love soup. Look at a girl pumpkin soup. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. My soup taste test. Look at this. The soup was good. Really, really hot. Thank you for stopping by. See you soon in another video. Don't be mean with it. Please remember to give the video a like. Thank you.